Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are showing solved assignment of bbcct-117. This assignment is valid from 1st January 24 to 31st December 24, and these are the questions asked in the assignment. Question number 1, explain DNA melting temperature and its significance. Question number 2, what is C-value paradox? Explain the organization of a prokaryotic gene. Question number 3, what are the various functions of chromatin? How histone proteins help in chromatin compaction? Question number 4, first part, draw and label structure and parts of chromosome. Second part of this question is explain the chemistry behind phosphodiester bond formation. Question number 5, describe the enzymatic activities associated with prokaryotic DNA polymerase. Second part of this assignment is question number 1, describe the mechanism of action of topoisomerase. Question number 2 is explain the process of replication in prokaryotes. Question number 3. Explain the integration of alpha phase DNA into bacterial genome. Next question is for first part. Differentiate between transposons and retrotransposons. Second part of the question is write a short note on chloroplast inheritance. Question number 5. First part. Differentiate between spontaneous and induced mutation. And second part of the question is explain mismatch and recombinant repair mechanism of DNA repair.